So today we got the Philips brand new halogen bulb, the X-Treme Vision Pro 150, which is 150% brighter. Previous video I did the 100% brighter Extreme Vision. This bulb is brand new. It came out in November of 2020. Yeah, so let's check so it claims to be like close to like 3500K color, over 400 hours, which is like pretty amazing for a high quality and high powered bulb. The biggest difference now is that, if you can see here, is that everything from Philips is made in China now. It still says designed in Germany, but made in China. So if that's a deal breaker for you, we'll test these out anyways. But just because they're made in China, it doesn't mean that they'll be a bad bulb. They still have the Philips name, and as usual, they still has the certification and should be pretty high quality. I'll just take one out of the package. Got that little bit of blue coating on there. Just it's mostly just for looks. But yeah, pretty nice spot welds on there. And this is a 9005 bulb, or a HB3. But yeah, let's throw them in and see how much brighter they are than the older ones.